Did you know Scotty Kilmer is a YouTube sensation in places like Texas, Florida, and even Washington, D.C.? With millions of subscribers, he's not just shouting at cars, he's actually helping people save thousands. Who is Scotty Kilmer? Scotty Kilmer isn't your average YouTuber. He's a certified mechanic with over 50 years of hands-on experience. People in Illinois, West Virginia, and California trust him more than car dealerships. And that says something. Why Texas and Florida love him. In places like Texas and Florida, cars are a big part of life. Folks there don't want fluff, they want real advice. And Scotty, he gives it straight. No sponsors, no filters, just honest takes on Toyota, BMW, Lexus, and more. His famous Toyota obsession. Scotty's always recommending Toyota Corolla, Camry, Lexus hybrids. Why? Because they just don't quit. 300,000 miles. Easy. In rough climates like West Virginia or long highways in Texas, these cars prove reliable. Haters love and impacture. Some think he's too harsh on German brands like BMW and Mercedes. But he backs it up with real-world stories and decades of fixing what breaks. He's helped millions avoid junk cars. That's real value. So whether you're in sunny Florida, the backroads of Illinois, or city streets of DC, Scotty's advice just hits different. Is he loud? Yes. Is he honest? Absolutely. What do you think about Scotty Kilmer? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car talk.